Hello friends, in today's video I will show you how to transfer your PayPal dollar from your PayPal to your local bank. First of all, I will show you how to log in PayPal account. So first of all, I input my email and password, then click login. Friends, you can already see that I have logged in into my PayPal account. It's a UK verified PayPal. So guys, if you need full verified UK PayPal or US PayPal or another full verified PayPal account, then please contact with me. My WhatsApp number here in description box. Now I will show you how we'll transfer the dollar from PayPal to our local bank. For this, first you have to click on the option, call it direct to bank. So guys, you show already my PayPal transferring to Zoom option. After coming this option, you see it here, but there are options for all countries. If you want, you can send money to any bank in any country from here. So guys, you already show Argentina, Armenia, Australia, Bahrain, Bangladesh, Belgium, Bhutan, Bolivia, Brazil, Bulgaria, Canada, Germany, USA, and all country have their option. So guys, I'm from Bangladesh, so I select this option here, Bangladesh. If you are from another country, then you can select another country option. So first of all, I select USD option and I input $10. $10 equal 1 USD equal 118 BDT. So you can click now next option, and if you want, you can receive your money by bKash or bank or cash pickup. And you already show here is Bangladesh all bank list. So now you can select your bank account. I select my Das Bangla bank account, then you select your bank account number. This is my bank account number and I select the next option. And here is your details. You can select your first name, last name, district, division, and etc etc. So I select my name, district, you can select your district, postal code, then phone number, button, and already you show the fee, bank account fee. So friends, if you want to get such a verified UK PayPal account and want to use it from your country, then contact us very soon. Thank you so much.